Hello everyone, I'm Justin Akimen from BS Stat 1-1 Evening. Today I'm going to talk about coefficient operation in statistics. But first, what is coefficient operation? So, coefficient operation is used when comparing two or more sets of variable, especially when the units of measurement are different. So, it is the ratio of the standard deviation to the mean. The higher the coefficient of variation, the greater the level of dispersion around the mean. The formulas in finding the coefficient of variation in population, CB equal to population standard deviation over population mean times 100%. Same with sample, CB equal to sample standard deviation over sample mean times 100%. Then you get the answer. So now let's have an example. The average score of awkward student in one Foshan class is 120 with a standard deviation of 5. The average score of a student in a Quidditch class is 107 with a standard deviation of 4. Which class is more variable in terms of score? The solution in finding the coefficient variation. First, we need to put the formula. Our formula is coefficient of variation is equal to population standard deviation over population mean times 100%. Then we need to put the two things that we're going to convert. It is the Foshan class and the Quidditch class. So the next step is we need to substitute the given values. So in the Foshan class, we have coefficient of variation is equal to 5 over 120 times 100%. And in a Quidditch class, we have coefficient of variation is equal to 4 divided by 107 times 100%. We can use the calculators in finding our coefficient of variation. So in the Foshan class, 5 divided by 120 is equal to 0.04166 repeating decimals, and then we multiply it by 100%, so we'll get 4.17%. And in the next one, in the Quidditch class, CV equals to 4 divided by 107, and we'll get 0.0373 and so on. And then we multiply it by 100% and then round off, we'll get 3.74%. Now, we can tell that since the coefficient of variation for the Foshan class is larger, the scores here are more variable than the scores in a Quidditch class. And now, let's have some quiz.